Now, Rheneas, he went on, we need to reach the next station. Can you pull us there on one cylinder? I'll try, sir. We expect 2 fresh engines next year, they told us. But we must keep the trains going now. If we don't, our railway will close. Thank you for helping me. Not at all, is it? Now you're still cross. I'm not sticking in the mud after all. Not you. And we've been firm friends ever since. The thin controller's relying on me. If I fail, the railway will close. It mustn't. I'll get there or burst. I'll do it. Here are gallant little engines at the thin controller. When you're rested, we'll mend you ready for tomorrow. Was Rheneass always ready for tomorrow? Always.